Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you add your location or any other location in Snapchat photo. So just turn on your location first. After turning, just go to Snapchat app. Now just click a photo. After clicking, swipe to the right a few times. And you can see in this feature the location where you are right now will be shown, and you can also change the location if you want. Click on in the top right third icon. After clicking, you can see a lot of options here. Click on location in the top third one. Here in the search bar, you can search for any other location that you want to show yourself. You can also put both the location here. And now just clicking save, the video will be saved. So guys, this is how can you add your location or any other location in your Snapchat photo. Hope you find this video helpful, and give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.